Now, have you considered painting a master copy to help you learn how to paint better? I'm sure you have, and painting a master copy can sound like a lot of fun. It is actually. You should try it. But there's a better way that I like to approach master copies. I don't call them copies, I just talk about a master study. What's the difference? I think a master study is the correct way to learn from master paintings. The emphasis is on study. Study something about the master painting. We're not trying to be copyists. This isn't a forger's masterclass. So the emphasis is not on trying to create an exact copy of the master painting. As an example, I did a painting of a Monet, one of my favorite paintings, seen by the Seine River, people, etc. moving about, lots of things going on. But there was one aspect about the painting that I really wanted to look at, or maybe two. But first of all, the most important one for me was just how Monet was painting the figures. I wanted to learn about painting figures in a landscape and looking at Monet's painting to help guide me. And I was struck by the simplicity of the shapes he used. So effective, so full of character, how they had a gesture. They weren't just figures standing at attention. So I learned about that. I studied that in the painting. Now I want to emphasize that it's important to really look for one thing that really grabs you about a master painting that you can learn from. For instance, paint your skies. Are you painting your skies too dark? Have a look and see how your favorite master artist was painting the sky. You'll probably find, if it's an impressionist and it's a sunny day, that type of thing, you'll see the sky is very light. Most beginners are painting the sky way too dark, and that has a complete knock-on effect and changes the look of the painting, very often subduing the effect of light. So you can take one of the master paintings, let's say once again Monet, and look at how he painted the sky and try to get your sky as light as that, the value of your sky. Maybe the blue you're using is not helping as well. Maybe ultramarine blue is making your skies look too dark. Try cerulean blue and see what change that will make. So pick your master painting, pick one thing about it you want to study. Don't worry about making a perfect copy, just focus on learning that one thing. And then next time, looking at something else. If you struggle with painting trees, focus on the trees in that master painting and see exactly what's going on there. And then try to apply that to your painting. This way, you're always creating in your own style, but you are learning specific things from the masters. Picasso had a term for this. He called it steal like an artist. It's not theft, it's an acquisition, making it your own, of a technique. The end result is your trees or your sky or your figures, they're going to look like your painting, not someone else's. So that's basically the idea, and you'll see a marked improvement very quickly in your own paintings. Well, I hope that tip helps you, and if you like more tips like this in the future, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Just hit that subscription button and you're good to go. If you like this video, please share it as well, that would be great. Don't forget, there's also a free painting course for you in the link up here or in the description. So check that out, have fun with some free painting exercises for you, and maybe a friend, encourage someone to join you. Alright, until next time, happy painting and cheers for now.